everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about a review of mainly 3 products I'm doing in a single video, because all 3 of my products is something I want to take a stand on all the 3 products that I use every day, and people do keep on asking me. The first thing is the BB cream, second thing is the compact, and third thing is the loose powder, and what is the brush that you use. So I think these are the basic products which you want in the normal makeup, and everybody keeps on asking what is the product that you use, and I think this is the best time I can give my take on all the products. The first thing which I'm gonna review is definitely the loose powder. Now this is the summer season. Whatever makeup we do, we need to set it through loose powder, and it is very very important that we use the loose powder for a longer makeup stay. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video about all the review of all the 3 to 4 products which I have for today. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do consider subscribing my channel. Hit the bell icon which is next to the subscribe tab, so that every time I upload the video you all will be well notified about it. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. And by the way, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. All the handles are given in the description box, and the link of other videos also are given in the description box. So yes, the first thing I'm gonna review is the loose powder, that is Powder Play Banana Compact Loose Powder. This is from Sugar. Now if you have been following for a little while, you already know my favorite cosmetic brands so far is Sugar after Maybelline. So this is the outer packaging of the compact looks like, and the inner packaging is somewhere this, and when I open, it's a very normal packaging of Sugar. When I open, it has 2 slots. The first one is this, which has been encrypted as Sugar, and then the mirror goes over here. Now I've used it so much. This is the second pack of mine. Now the brush, people ask which brush I use. I use the normal brush. I think this is from Club Factory or Shein. No, this is from the Shein. So this is what the brush is. I use the normal Shein brush, and let me tell you how much product it picks up and how it feels. Like, it is very loose, very light. It actually kind of sets everything. I mean, it doesn't have any specific banana because the flavor is banana, but I don't get any of the flavors of banana. If you don't want to use brush, there is also a sponge given. I think it's written Sugar. This is really a puffy sponge. You can put the cake back and then kind of use it with the help of sponge, which is really very thoughtful, and I really like the way it is. Sponge and the baking powder, and then this. I think this is supremely pigmented, and I love it. I really love it. So I think this is the best compact. And I think I have loose powder of it also, but compact is really good, and at the same time loose powder is also of the same texture, and I really love it. So apart from the Sugar lip shades, I am also now a big fan of compact and loose powder of the Sugar. I'm sorry, in the start I mentioned loose powder, but this is Banana Compact, and I wanted to mention this. The other compact which I usually use, and people ask me why your makeup completely looks nude, that is because of either this or because of another compact, which is again my favorite after Maybelline, is the Color Bar. Now it somewhere looks like a normal Color Bar, like normal Maybelline kind of, and then when I open, again it has a sponge written Color Bar, and I am in the shade Just Beige 004. I don't know the price. No, I don't have anywhere. I've used it so much that I think the price tag have gone somewhere. So this is the color shade which I use, very natural, and again it's not that pigmented. So it's not a full coverage, but at the same time it is very powdery soft. And as if you have been following me, you know I don't do a lot of makeup. I think a little light compact to fill in my even tones are even, it's all I need. So I think this is one of the compact which does wonder to my skin, and the banana compact. So in the compact, these two are my personal favorites, which I always use in my makeup apart from Maybelline compact. So these two, I wanted to review these two products, especially this one, because this is one of the amazing raved product from Sugar, and I wanted to give my take on this product. And this is very less, people don't rave about this compact, so that's the reason I have kept both two together, because both are amazing in their own ways. I think this is good for all the skin types. I somewhere feel there is nothing specific. Now we have spoken about compact. I think we need to speak about the BB cream, or I think this is what it is. It is kind of foundation, not BB cream. But again, the foundation, today I'm going wrong everywhere, because I wanted to make this video for a very long time and it has been pending. So this is a liquid foundation from Maybelline Fit Me. I am in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Now there are a lot of shades and you tend to confuse, but just in case you are a little confused, I will make a separate video. If you got a bad color of a compact, how to match to it, I will make a separate video about it. So this is my actual shade. Oh my god, it leaks very badly. I've used it I've used it a lot of times, so kind of leaking, but let me show you what is it. Okay, so this is what the compact is. It's a complete full coverage foundation. Now if you can see, it completely changes your skin tone. You have to really blend and blend and blend. That's how it is. It's a complete full coverage liquid foundation. So it completely covers, and then you need to set up with the compacts, and I think it gives a full coverage. It hides everything. So I think this is one of the amazing foundation I have ever used. Now I don't use a lot of foundation apart from Lakme, Maybelline also, but usually this used to come in a glass bottle, but I have used that so much, but that is not travel friendly. This is really travel friendly, and I think this is for 250 or change. I really love the product. I think this is far better. Apart from that, there are other foundations I use, but again I love this foundation, Maybelline Fit Me, over any other. So I wanted to draw your attention towards this as well. So this is a small video. I wanted to put your attention towards these three amazing products. I think these three are the amazing products must have for a pro makeup. I think this is amazing. So I wanted to give a take on all these three of them. Just in case you wanted to know any other review of any other products, do let me know in the comments and the description box. I will try and make a review of it. And at the same time, if you have been really find this video really helpful, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, so that every time I upload the video you all will be then notified about it. And do follow me in Instagram and Facebook, and I think you will get a lot of updates over there as well. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye for now.